Today we talk about how can you set activity here on your Wearfit app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down here, you click here on me down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on your photo profile, just click on it. You come to your profile, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on activity here, you just click on it. So then here can you set your activity hit here. You just select it here, then you click here on select, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.